Welcome back to This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable hand tracking on Meta Quest 3. Let's begin. Enabling hand tracking on Meta Quest 3 involves a few straightforward steps. Alright, and the first thing that you need to do is to access the settings menu. Now, put on your Meta Quest 3 headset. Okay, so after doing that, press the Oculus button on the right controller to bring up the universal menu. And I need you to navigate to the settings panel. Now from there, you can enable hand tracking by going to the settings panel and go to the device, select hands and controllers. Now after doing so, I need you, this is very important, alright, toggle the hand tracking option to enable it. Now, you need to adjust hand tracking preferences, which is optional, alright? While in the hands and controllers menu, you can also adjust the various preferences related to hand tracking, such as auto switching between hands and controllers, pinch gesture settings, and a lot more. You can also do some calibration and usage because from there, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate your hands. Make your hands as well lit and visible to the headset's cameras for optimal tracking and performance. Now you can test the hand tracking feature in the Oculus Home environment or by launching apps that supports the hand tracking, alright? Now by following these steps, you should be able to use the hand tracking on your Meta Quest 3. Enhancing your VR experience with more intuitive and immersive interactions. But as an additional tips, I just wanted to point out that you need to remove any accessories or objects that might obstruct the cameras, alright? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.